Namaste. Let's begin our practice by focusing on three-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Place your hands in prayer position. Inhale, reach overhead. Exhale, sweep out and down, returning to heart center. Continue with this movement, wrapping it around your breath, flowing at your own pace. Release, returning to center, transitioning into a lateral stretch. Reach your right hand across your body towards your left leg and your left arm to the sky. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, stretch your left arm up and over to the right, breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your left hand towards your right leg and your right arm to the sky. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, stretch your right arm up and over to the left, lengthening through your right side body. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder, gently leaning to the right. Adding a wrist and hand stretch, begin to point and flex through your right hand, bending at your wrist. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder. Adding a wrist and hand stretch, begin to point and flex through your left hand, bending at your wrist. Release and return to center. Transitioning into shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Continue with this movement, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, transitioning into dynamic arm raises. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, improving circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Sweep your clasped hands over towards your left waist while keeping your shoulders down and back. To increase this stretch, gently squeeze your elbows in towards one another as you continue lightly firming your lower ribs in, feeling a gentle stretch across your chest and shoulders. Adding a lateral neck stretch, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder as you continue sitting tall, keeping your shoulders down and back. Repeating on the opposite side, sweep your clasped hands over towards your right waist. To increase this stretch, gently begin to squeeze your elbows in towards one another as you maintain your posture, lengthening your tailbone towards the earth, lightly firming your lower ribs in, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Adding a lateral neck stretch, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and return to center. Transitioning into shoulder rolls, lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, returning to center. Transitioning into Seated Sun Salutations. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, open your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, arms sweep overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, open your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating once more. Inhale, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward, stretching through your back body. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, open your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Transitioning into a wide-legged, seated, forward bend variation. Step your feet into a wide stance. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your navel back, slowly folding forward from your hip creases, pausing with your forearms to your thighs. Continue here, or to increase this stretch, inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, slowly glide your hands down your legs, pausing at your shins, ankles, or your feet. Continue breathing deeply, staying firm in your legs, with your core engaged, folding forward from your hip creases. To release, press down firmly through both feet. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your torso to upright, pausing halfway. When you're ready, lift your torso all the way to upright, moving into a seated twist variation. Step your feet into a wider stance, toes turned open slightly. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder towards opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, lengthening from the base of your spine through the crown of your head, breathing deeply, releasing tension in your abdomen, rib cage, and spine. Release, returning to center, transitioning into a cat-cow stretch variation with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, moving at your own pace. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Release, returning to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Moving into a gentle hip opener, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your torso to upright. Draw your right knee in towards your chest, lengthening your spine. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, open your arms wide as you continue lifting through your right leg, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer thigh and hip. Continue breathing deeply. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently folding deeper, moving slowly and gently, giving your muscles time to relax into this stretch. Inhale, lift your torso to upright. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, lengthening your spine. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, open your arms wide, keeping your chest lifting and your core engaged. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Stay connected to your breath as you unwind and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Gently close your eyes. Allow your attention to move inward, noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. With each inhale, feel your body becoming more vibrant. And with each exhale, feel your body releasing any remaining tension as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.